Stoltenberg. I work for BIT, which is the Bureau of Information and Telecommunication. I work with the development group. I'm a manager of one of the teams. We build applications for DOT. We roughly maintain and support right around 125 applications. Average day, I would say a developer, there's such a wide variety. I want to say they'd go through the application development process, which is basically a user has an idea. They come to us and say, could you create this for us? So then we sit down with the user. To begin with, I guess you'd gather requirements. You'd meet with the user and say, what do you really want to do? Does it need to be a web app? Does it need to be an internal app, or do we need to have it public facing, and go through a kind of a basic set of questions so you get kind of a handle on what the application is, and then go back and probably design the application and maybe mock up some screens. Another thing you might end up doing on a daily task or a daily basis is working on a system that it might be an older system, but we still do quite a few technology refreshes. So let's say we have an application that's maybe been around for 5-7 years. Well, now it needs a new database. Maybe it needs the language that we originally wrote that application. Maybe that's no longer supported by the vendor. So we need to update that application with a new language. It might do the same functionality, but now we have to do it with a different language. And most of the time when we do rewrite an application, we usually go back to the user and ask them what enhancements they'd like. And normally there's some efficiencies or something has changed in the last few years that they would like us to change. So while we're doing a technology refresh and while we're going through an update in the software, a lot of times we'll end up doing some enhancements.